Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So here we are with our second video in this series, and we are going to be doing metric conversion. So just a real quick little briefing. Hopefully you watched the first video on conversions of units, worksheet number 1. This is worksheet number 2. And there it is, worksheet number 2. There's going to be 20 problems, just like on the last one. I'm assuming that you have the metric conversions chart in front of you right here. This is the metric conversions chart. You're going to be taking advantage of that. Okay. And so here's how you remember this quick little mnemonic. That is King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I've added a couple of other extra ones in here just for your enjoyment pleasure. And that is at the far end is the micro, and at the top end is the mega. Okay. I know that there are spots here that are not labeled, and that's okay because we actually are not going to be ending our steps on there, but we do have to make those steps. Okay, and hopefully you did get the King Henry died by chocolate milk, by drinking chocolate milk. Don't die by drinking chocolate milk. If you believe that the United States should go from the imperial system to the metric system, then you are going to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. That would be a great thing. Hopefully after this video, then you will definitely subscribe and give me a thumbs up because you realize that the metric system is so much easier than the imperial system by far in converting from one set of units to another set of units. So let's do a quick little example and see if we can nail this down. And I'm going to give the same example that I did on the previous video. So just hold on here. So actually, it's going to be just slightly different just to confuse and confound the innocent. So if I have, let's say, 2 grams, I'm going to convert that into milligrams. So this is what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to go from grams. So one other little tidbit here, and that is the base unit here is going to be either M for meters, that's a length, G for grams, that's a mass, L for liters, that's a volume. There are many other units that can be used as well, but that's what we're going to stick with on these 3 videos and these 3 worksheets. So if I'm going to go from grams to milligrams, I'm going to start with my base unit of grams, and I'm going to go to milligrams. So I'm going to start here and step 1, 2, 3 spots down. So I'm going to take my decimal where it is right here with the 2. There's my decimal. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 spots, 1, 2, 3 spots to the right and down. So I'm going to replace these with zeros. And so my new answer would be 2 grams is equal to 2,000 milligrams. Let's see if we can go in the opposite direction. So if I have 0.002 kilograms, and I'm going to convert that into, let's say, grams. So here's kilo, and then there's grams. So I'm going to start off at kilograms. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 spots over here. Wait, we're going to do one other thing here. We're going to change that up here. So let's do something else here. So we're gonna try something else here and see if that will work. So hold on, folks. Nothing like having an eraser. Notice that I have a mechanical pencil and a big fat eraser because I make way too many mistakes to use that little tiny eraser here at the top, which I've nubbed off apparently. So that's a bad thing. So we're going to say 2 grams, and we're going to convert that into kilograms. How about that? That way we go in the opposite direction. So we're going to take the grams, that's right here, and we're going to go to kilograms. So that's going to go 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. Here's my decimal. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. There's my new decimal. I'm going to replace these with 0. So I will have 0.002 kilograms. So 2 grams is equal to 0.002 kilograms. Unbelievable. Pretty nice and easy. All right, let's see if we can do the problems within this worksheet here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to try to stay within the same confines that we did on the previous worksheet, okay? And let's move our little weights off to the side a little bit, and here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in on this so that we can see the vast majority of this conversion here, and so that you can see the problems a little bit bigger as well. All right, hopefully that works for you. All right, awesome. So this is conversions of units worksheet number 2. Dos. All right, so we're going to convert 80 millimeters into meters. So we're going to start off with our 80 millimeters, and we're going to go from millimeters to meters. So millimeters to meters. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So 3 spots to the left. There's our decimal. 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So I'll have 0.08, and that will be meters. See how simple that is? Simple, simple. 0.100 meters to millimeters. So meters to millimeters. We're going to go from meters, that's 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. So 1, 2, 3 spots to the right. There's my new decimal, 100 millimeters. So simple. Next one is 0.3 liters to deciliters. So liters to deciliters. So liters to deciliters. I'm going to move my decimal 1 spot to the right. Okay, 1 spot to the right. That will be 3 deciliters. Perfect. Easy as pie. If you like pie, that is. All right, the next one is 50 centigrams to decagrams. So centi to deca. There's the centi, there's the deca. So I'm going to go here, 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3 spots to the left. I'm going to place a 0 there, and there's my new decimal. So 0.05 decagrams. Beautiful, looking good. Next one is 50,000 centiliters to kiloliters. So centiliters to kiloliters. So centiliters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. There's my decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. That's 0.5 kiloliters. Perfect. Easy peasy. So we have 0.4 hectoliters to milliliters. So hecto to milli. So hecto to milli. So starting at the hecto, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. We're going to replace all these with zeros, and that will be 40,000 milliliters. Perfect. Next one is 5 decigrams to hectograms. So deci to hecto. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So 1, 2, 3 to the left. There's my new decimal. I'm going to replace that with 0. So I'll have 0.005 hectograms. Awesome. Next one is 0.01 centigrams to micrograms. So centi to micro. So we're going to have to move my little chart here, and there we go. So we're going to go from centi to micro. So centi, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So 4 to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. That will be 100 micrograms. Just as a note here, we didn't stop here, we kept on going, but we do step on this place and we do count it, right? So we went from centi to micro, so that's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just making sure you do that. All right, so the next one is millimeters to kilometers. So we have this 200 million, my goodness, that's almost the number of subscribers I have. Millimeters to kilometers. So let's make sure that we've got all this on here. So there we go. Millimeters to kilometers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. Let's see if we can do that here. 6 to the left. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So that will be 200 kilometers. Perfect. Next one is 0.001 kilograms to milligrams. So kilograms to milligrams. So starting at kilo, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. 6 to the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. We're going to replace these with zeros, and that would be 1,000 milligrams. Perfect. We are halfway done, by the way. We have 10 more problems to do. So hang on. You're going to get this. It's super simple. Make sure you are following my little chart there. So we got 20,000 micrograms to grams. So micrograms is down here at the bottom again. So micrograms to grams. So micro, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. 6 to the right. There's our decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. We're going to put another 0 there in the front. And there we go. 0.02 grams. Perfect. 2 million decigrams to megagrams. So deci to mega. So we're going to have to slide this all the way over so that you see the top end of this scale. Perfect. Top end of this scale. So deci to mega. There's deci. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. So 7 to the left. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. That's 0.2 megagrams. Perfect. The next one here is, what's the next one? 500 microliters into centiliters. So we're going to be at the other end on this one. And so we're at micro to centi. There's micro, there's centi. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 4 to the right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So 0.05 centiliters. Okay, perfect. And then this next one here is kilometers to centimeters. So 0.0009 kilometers to centimeters. So kilometers, where's kilometers? There we go. Kilometers to centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. We're going to move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. So that will be 90 centimeters. Perfect. Next one is 0.700 hectograms to milligrams. So hecto to milli. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. And that will be 70,000 milligrams. Perfect. We have 5 more to do, folks. Not too bad. You're hanging on. So we've got 5,000 milliliters to decaliters. So milliliters to decaliters. That's right there. So milli, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. That's 0.5 decaliters. Perfect. Next one is 0.005 meters to centimeters. So meters to centimeters. 1, 2 to the right. Piece of cake. 1, 2 to the right. That's 0.5 centimeters. Perfect. All right. 3 more to do, folks. That's right. So we've got 80 centigrams to grams. Centigrams to grams. So that's 1, 2 to the left. That's 1, 2 to the left, 0.8 grams. And here we go. We got 500 million subscribers on the Crazy Hat Chemist YouTube channel. That's right, folks. Millimeters to megameters. So milli to mega. I'm going to have to zoom out just a little bit to have all this in here. That's right. Here we go. There's milli to mega. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left. My goodness, 9 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left. So 0.5 mega meters. Oh, my goodness. That's a lot of subscribers. 0 point, and let's make sure that we count the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, a 5, and that's grams to micrograms. We're going at the other end of the scale. So let's slide this up over here. So we're going from grams to micrograms. There's grams, there's micro. We're going to go 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6 to the right. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So that would be 50 micrograms. All right, perfect. So we're going to summarize this really quick here and zoom on out so you can see the entirety of this chart. Okay, and we're almost there. We are almost there. There we go. So this is the metric conversions chart. Hopefully it's really, really helpful to you. Remember that King Henry died by chocolate milk, by drinking, excuse me. Remember that King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. That's King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And then we have at the low end micro and at the high end mega. And we did a worksheet here, folks. That's right. And that worksheet is right here. This is worksheet number 2. These are all the answers to these problems. You can see that I started off with the blue numbers and I went to the red numbers at the end. I'm hoping that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something from it. And if you did, please like and subscribe. I am the Crazy Hat Chemist. That's right, folks, the Crazy Hat Chemist. I'm crazy. I wear hats on Fridays if you are in my classroom. So there we go. That's why. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time for the third worksheet. Don't forget, we got the third worksheet left to do. See you then. Bye for now.